Working with Mark has been a great blessing, privilege, and pleasure. We've known each other for more than 30 years, and he has worked with us off and on throughout that time. Mark brings a kind of clarity, a brilliance, a practicality. He thinks outside the box. There have been times when we needed his assistance in downsizing so that it can be done in a really caring and supportive way for the staff that would be leaving. He's also been with us through times of expansion and restructuring the organization. And I must say, my experience is that I could present Mark with any kind of situation, and he would attune, receive inspiration and guidance, present creative solutions, and also support us in the practical implementation of it. So I've seen Mark work with us in all kinds of weather, and always brilliant, personable, very supportive. And I think one of the hallmarks also that I experienced personally in working with Mark, he has an incredibly positive and prizing nature. There's never blame. There's never like, that was really a bad decision. It's always start where we are and look how we can get better. Mark has an ability to grasp the situation without a huge amount of story and information. He's got an intuitive, perceptive ability to grok what the issues are and to look beyond the surface to what the deeper root challenge or cause is, and to address that, to bring forward ideas that are designed to address that are highly practical. And I would just say Mark is a joy and a pleasure to work with. I love meeting with him. I mean, we still talk frequently, and it's always a pleasure. Mark has been an ally of the university really from when I began working with him, which is over 30 years ago, and has seen us through so many stages and phases of change, of transformation, of growth and challenge, and has just been steadfast and incredibly supportive, but always bringing his brilliance, his creativity, his inspiration to his work with us in ways that was tangible and highly beneficial.